Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for 18th of May. Alright, so it seems like SLP, we are still following Bitcoin, and let's actually dive into the smaller time frames. But before that, let me just fix the fib retracement just a little bit right over there. Okay, so diving into the 4-hour time frame, we still have the range. Now the range has been a little bit overextended, so this is how it looks like right now. That's the final range, and still no answer. Okay, still no particular big answer. The range has actually been a little bit extended right over there. But now what I'm gonna tell you is that today is Wednesday, right? By Thursday, if you're not really moving to the upside by Thursday, then there are good chances that this is gonna drop to the downside, because weekend is gonna be approaching, and we do know by now that weekend is not a good time to trade anything at all. It's gonna be very risky to do trading during the weekends, unless Bitcoin doesn't get a little bit bullish. Okay, so do watch the Bitcoin update, because you must watch it to understand where it leads for every single altcoins out there, because if Bitcoin starts to drop, it's gonna drop. So I think that at this point of time, there's nothing too much to talk about the charts. All I'm gonna say about it is that this is something that is continuing. Okay, this pennant here is a pennant or symmetrical triangle, if you want to keep it that way. We still haven't got a clear direction just yet. Okay, and to me, guys, Bitcoin is making a very bearish pattern on a daily time frame, so that is something that you must watch out. I can actually switch on the daily to match up with Bitcoin if SLP does have the particular bearish scenario. Now yes, there's a little bit of a bearish scenario right now. So this is known as a bullish Harami candlestick, when you have a green candle and next to it is a red candle, but this candle closes in the next 14 hours, so it's not really confirmed what it is. You can still end up going higher like this by the end of the day, but tomorrow, it seems like tomorrow's candlestick is gonna bring a little bit of a mix into the game, and maybe give us the direction that we've been waiting for, downside or the upside. So symmetrical triangles are meant to be 50-50, unless if this one is a bearish symmetrical triangle, then you're guaranteed to even go to the downside. Now normally the technical target is meant to be 1.618, so the scale is heavier to the downside, to go to the downside, but by the end of the day, it's better to wait for a confirmation. You never know, you still go to the upside. So it is what it is right now, and that's it for today's update. Do join the Discord. This is the link in the description, and click on it. You're going to be in, and this is your Discord. And do check out the trading course as well. Both of them are going to be in the description, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.